Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use shortcut key for add filter in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly select the head of column. So after that use a shortcut key for adding filter. So press Ctrl Shift and L. So you can see when you will press Ctrl Shift and L, the filter is added. So when you will click on it, you can see you can filter any quantities according to you. So when you will click on OK, so you can see only selected quantities are filtered. So if you want to show all quantities, so just select all and then click on OK. So you can see all values will be shown again. So guys, if you want to remove filter, so by using shortcut key, then again use same shortcut key for removing the filter. And you press Ctrl Shift and L. So you can see filter is gone. So guys, in this way you can use shortcut key for add filter or remove filter. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.